Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Keisha Intanabila, and I'm a student from Senior High School to Garut. And here I will give an argumentation of our motion today. The Honorable Judgment, Moderator, and Timekeeper, good morning. As a first speaker of government, I will explain of our motion today. The motion is this House believes that scholarships should only be granted on the basis of financial necessity. But before we take to another point of view of this motion, I will explain the definition of our motion today based on their subject. First, definition of scholarship. Scholarship is an award of financial aid for a student to further their education at a private elementary or secondary school, or a private or public post-secondary college. And the second subject is financial necessity. Financial necessity means that a reduction in a school district's financial resource resulting from declining enrollment, or any other action or event that in the sole judgment of the Board of Education will result in a reduction in the school district's current or future operating budget. So the whole definition of our motion is this House believes that scholarship should only be granted on the basis of financial necessity, means that financial aid that is used for the continuity of education just be given to them who need financial assistance or financial necessity. And why should I agree with this motion is because the scholarship just has to be given to them who has a problem with financial aid, because it's in order to create an arrangement getting right of education. So the scholarship to be given to the students who has a right to be arrangement on whole student to have an education. And the goal of this given of scholarship is to help students get into the right field of study, and the main goal of this given scholarship is not only for they who have a good achievement, but it's also given to the student who has a basic or bad achievement. So the scholarship given either they have a good achievement or not. So next to the point of my argumentation is the purpose for support my argumentations are: first, the purpose of this given scholarship is to help students so they can research their information and improve their knowledge field of compatibility, and what is most and the most important thing is students who need and have a problem with financial fund. So in this scholarship, I'll agree to give this scholarship to students who has a problem with their financial, and either they have a good or not achievement. This scholarship will be given to them. The second thing is to create an arrangement of knowledge and education to anyone who has a right. So all student in this country has a right to need an education, right? So in this given of scholarship, to the whole students either has a good achievement or not, it's just fulfilled their right as a student to get an education of knowledge. And the third thing is, with this scholarship, able to encourage students who has a good achievement or not to mostly have a problem with their financing, to support their dream and create a new intelligent generation for support this country and for build this country into the better one. And the fourth thing is, the last but not least, to enhance and embody social welfare. In this given of scholarship to the students who has financial necessity or who has problem of financing, this scholarship will be given to them. And with this scholarship, for the underprivileged in terms of financing that would provide intelligent human resource that would be expected to provide support through science that it could then be implemented in society for the purpose in the future. So with their intelligence of knowledge that has getting of the scholarship, the students will advancing that prospect of their society, and would be easier to achieve of what they want in their dream. So I agree with this motion because because we have to agree that scholarship need to be given to the students either they have a good achievement or not, to create an arrangement in whole student in this country. Besides of that, this motion I agree because the scholarship in here that has been given to all students, and to make improvement and to make create a new generation who has an intelligent mind. So I will conclude of what I argumentating, and the purpose of my argumentation of this motion is the purpose scholarship to help students to inform their field and to feel their right to have an education. Secondly, to create an arrangement of knowledge and education to anyone who has a right. To encourage students who has a good or no achievement in a school. And the fourth, the last but not least, to enhance and embody social welfare. And thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.